Stop it, now! Mission selected. Powering up the drop pod. Get on board, team. Please just let the barrels be. As fun times go, there are better options available.
Get on board! We're about to leave!
Drop sequence initiating. Fasten your seatbelts.
Okay, who didn't shower yesterday? Rock and stone to the bone.
Rock and stone in the heart!
Did I hear a rock and stone?
Only danger in darkness waits.
We'll stand a better chance of survival if you
For
stop
rock
your
and stone! Check your gear and let's go!
We've set our targets on several deep wells of liquid morkite, so we're sending in a refinery for you to fill. Set the whole thing up, get it cranking, and let's pump those deposits dry. Time to build some pipelines rough necks.
Tide is up.
Covering fire! Ready to blow! Oh, hello and good boy.
Mobile refinery here. I needed that.
Rock and stone!
Yeah. God damn it, there's a pebble in my boot.
Request accepted. Stand clear. Pump jack inbound.
Never felt better.
Pipe placed. Pipes up. If only someone would help me build it.
I die a little inside him.
This is greasy work! Work hard, party hard.
Pipeline successfully connected to pump jack.
You're cute, but you're dead.
There is nitro over here.
I made a platform.
Deep Rock really needs to provide some better equipment. I gotta watch the overheating. Good times.
Pump jack requested and is inbound.
It's overheated. Rubbish equipment.
I can't carry anymore. I found a
Damn drills are overheating.
Pump jack launched. Stay clear from the impact zone. A secondary objective has been achieved. Bonus will be transferred to your accounts on mission completion.
Not again. It's overheated.
light construction here.
That goddamn overheating.
Flow. This should work.
It's overheated. Overheated!
We need these in the space raid.
Prepare to fight for your life. A big swarm is approaching.
I love grinding.
I'll be dreaming of pipes
The
tonight.
swarm is upon you.
Booyah!
Sorry. You're all dead right.
Nitro has been withdrawn. The supply pod is inbound.
Sorry.
Oh! Watch it! Take a discipline,
Resupply arrived. Go restock.
Hey!
Out of my
I ain't one of
way.
them. Get tree climbing halfway through.
We got no ammo left. I'm not one of them yet, knobhead.
Pipe lane!
God damn.
The wave is almost over. Wipe out what's left.
Damn drills are overheated. Alien! Stop! Here!
As good
It'll
as
be a beauty once it's complete.
If you want something done, you better do it yourself.
Pipe segment completed.
Another pump jack connected to the refinery. Just one more to go. All lights read green. Pipelines and pump jacks are all in place, and the liquid morkite is waiting. Return to the refinery and start up the pump sequence.
That wall! Sentry gun needs assembling. Did I hear a rockin' stone?
This pod will supply you with ammo and
Grabbing
health.
ammo.
Getting more ammo!
I'm taking some of the ammo.
Freeze! Flares up! I'm with you, you See you later! Stop shooting me!
Friendlies! Friendlies!
Morkite is being extracted. Refinery and all pump jacks are working at full capacity. Be warned, the noise will draw in the locals, so stay on your toes and do what you can to protect and maintain the equipment. Hang in there. Supplies are on the way.
Line is up.
Lock and load, team. Swarm incoming. Stand back. Supply pod inbound.
Time to restock.
Supplies are on the way. Pump sequence at 25%. We got a leak. Locate it and fix it.
Meet your maker, Crane!
Chill.
This pipeline is fixed, but you need to clear all malfunctions in order for the refinery to run. Pipeline repaired, but other pipelines are still malfunctioning.
Oi! Beardo! There ain't no points given for shooting your teammate!
Pipeline's operational again. You're doing fine. We got company. Incoming swarm approaching you. We're halfway through the pump sequence. Liquid Morkite is being refined.
I'll beat your record this time. That's it.
The extraction has stopped. Pipeline's in need of maintenance. Pipeline functional again. However, we still have malfunctions in the system.
We ought to supply them. I kill it soon.
Friendly fire isn't actually friendly!
This pipeline is fixed, but there are more outstanding issues.
Operator!
Getting supplies.
The extraction of liquid Morkite is running again. Keep up the good work. We'll be done in no time.
Lining up.
Incoming wave.
Hey, hold off the enemy!
Pump sequence at 75%. Let's squeeze those wells dry.
Break the pipe. Line. Out of fire grenade. I need more ammo.
Never felt better.
The pipelines are leaking. Get on it. Get them fixed.
Shooting at me! How do I get off?
This pipeline is fixed, but you need to clear all malfunctions in order for the refinery to run. Pipeline repaired, but other pipelines are still malfunctioning.
Watch your fire! You've got less on my
We fixed the problem. Everything's running smoothly again.
360.
We
The
rock!
refinery is attracting the bugs. Hold the line while the pump sequence continues.
Get explored. Flares up.
Freeze! Loot bug eliminated!
out of ammo!
Cargo rocket launched! Die like your mother did!
I'm taking some of the ammo. Killer be killed!
Well done. Cargo rocket is returning to orbit. We're sending in the drop pod to get you out. Hang tight.
Get explored. Ready for ammo.
Like
This
that!
is the mobile refinery. Guys, are you flying? Look over here. Hey, watch the stray bullets.
Engineer sentry gun!
Drop pod departing in T-minus 3 minutes.
Oh yeah!
What I found.
Hurry up!
Lighting
I'm
up!
getting rocket
Forward!
stone! It never gets old.
I'm gonna kill you all! Explosives, boys!
Ow! That hurt! Sentry on! Here's something for you to play with! That's it, lads! Rock and stone! Rock and stone!
Leaving straight pod.
Brother! Rock and roll!